You guys, today we are going to a house to Little Lee. Today we are going to a house to Little Lee. To Little Lee. Cut the grass there. They told me the keys are under the flowers and I don't know. So we are just gonna get some things to go with a trailer. And we're getting my brand new Ford. Here's my Ford, it's red. My favorite color. So we are going to put a trailer on it. So let's go put it first. And there are a new update about this car, truck, and some houses. And one of the houses is new. They live nearby here, and I'm very sure that they live near here. So we're gonna grab some of these. We're gonna grab these and these and some of these. That's it. Okay. Look there, bro. I just stole something. Yay! And now we are gonna put the brand new lawnmower. Sorry. That was my cousin right there. He burps.
I didn't burp, I coughed.
He coughed, I mean. Ah! I'm dying today.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Why do I keep pressing the engine?
What woman, let me just... Boom, now that thing is gone.
Now I'm gonna put it exactly here. If you wanna follow me, just follow this tutorial. I'm gonna have the light with me. I'm just gonna put this on the ground here. And I'm gonna put the leaf blower. Now we're all ready to go.
Nice.
That's my cousin right there, bro.
I think they know that.
Yeah. My little brother will be annoying sometimes.
He's gonna be in certain videos.
Yeah, he's gonna be in certain videos.
Not all of them though.
Not all of them though. And
yeah,
I'm just happy. You guys know Indians? Because I know that language. Oh, teri anu teri tulkon teri anu kotte anu munde
Indian technically isn't a language. You're speaking Punjabi now. It's an Indian language.
Punjabi. And it's kind of nearby here. It's
Sing a song. Sing a Punjabi song.
Oh, teri tangle ding 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 ding-a-ling ling ling ding-a-ling ling ling ling-a-ling ling ling ling-a-ling ling ling. And I think it's not here. Definitely that's a lot. They say it's around the corner. And I also think it's around the corner. Is it here? And it's here. Let's go. He said only cut around it. So we are gonna cut around it. So I think I'm gonna end this video. Stay for part 2. Goodbye.